Dear students, today we are gonna learn using subordinating conjunctions. At the end of this lecture and after exercising well, you will be able to identify the role of subordinating conjunctions and their placement, and obviously using a comma with them. First, role or functions of subordinating conjunctions. Number one, they play a dual role. First is the transition from main idea to the subordinating idea or sub-idea. And the second one is they decrease the importance of subordinating idea in the subordinating clause, because we always express our main idea or important idea in the main clause and less important idea in the subordinating clause. Just read these examples. Once sales improve, the company will pay its bills, and my grandmother began traveling after she sold her house. In these examples, the subordinating conjunctions once and after, they show the important idea expressed in the main clause and less important idea expressed in the subordinating clause. And we identify subordinating clause with the use of subordinating conjunction. In the first sentence, paying bills is more important than sales improvement. What expressed it so? It's the use of subordinating conjunction. And in the second example, traveling is more important than selling house, because began traveling is expressed in the main clause and selling house is expressed in the subordinate clause. As far as the placement is concerned, unlike coordinating conjunctions, they can be placed at the beginning of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence. So it means coordinating clause can precede the main clause, or it can come after the main clause. Both ways are good, but it is always good to use main idea or main clause at the beginning of the sentence. As far as the using of comma with subordinating conjunctions is concerned, subordinate conjunctions don't take a comma when they come at the end, or means at the subordinating clause comes at the end of the sentence, or the sentence begins with the main clause. But if the sentence begins with the subordinating clause, obviously with a subordinating conjunction, we use comma at the end of subordinating clause, not after the subordinating conjunction, but after the subordinating clause. Hope you have understood well. Here is an exercise for you to do. You may put the subordinating conjunctions appropriately in each of the blanks. Yeah, I hope if you face any difficulty, you will write me or you will ask me in the comment. Thank you.